Hey, hey, hey. This is going to be an uninterrupted video. There will not be like a meeting break in between. And the audio, I hope, but I don't know because I didn't know that it went bad yesterday either. But I hope that the audio, this whole video will be like you'll be able to hear me the whole time, I hope, right? Okay, so here's the deal. You just worked on the worksheet for 20 minutes, and now I want to go through the answers and explain the problems. I hope that you're ready. Here we go. All right, go back up to question number 1. Hey, do you see how, and yesterday I was like using highlighter and stuff, and you guys were like, hey, we don't have a highlighter. It's okay, underline then. Okay, so you see how those are both A? All you do is just do -7 plus 43 in a calculator, and you get what, 36A? And that problem's done. Okay, see how this is x squared, and that's x squared, and this is y, and that's y? Well, that's cool, they match up. So all you do is -17 minus 2, which is -19, x squared y. That doesn't look like 19. -19 there. Sometimes I draw my 9s like that. Sometimes I draw my 9s like that. Like that or like that. I don't know. Interesting. And that problem is done. Okay. Here's question number 3. Do these match? A and A, B to the 4th and B to the 4th? Well, heck yeah, they do. So all I have to do is just do 11 minus 35 and get -24 A, B to the 4th. Notice that I did not change any of the powers. You don't change any of the powers yet. That only happens when you're multiplying or dividing. Okay, this is, I forgot that letter P there earlier, so I know it looks lame, but it's -14P plus 14P, because two negatives back to back make a positive or a plus. And so this answer is just 0. You could write 0P, but really it's just officially 0. Okay, that one's done. Number 5, does this match that? Yeah. Does this match that? Yeah, let's do it. 9 minus 15 is -6. M to the 3rd, n squared. I promise it's just that easy. Number 6, does this match? Uh-oh. Does this match that? Yeah. Uh-oh. No matchy. So guess what the answer is? 8PQ plus 3QR. You can't do anything with that. Like, that's the answer. You can't, nope, you can't manipulate it at all. Later, we can talk about factoring, but not right now. 3, 2, 1. Number 7, does this match that? Yeah. Does this match that? Yeah. There's a hidden 1 for the first time, right there. So it's -12 and -1, which is -13 a squared b to the 5th. Huh, how about that? Number 8, does this match that, match that, match that? Heck yeah, they're all k squared. And there's a hidden 1. Okay, so it's 4 minus 7, which is -3, plus 11, which is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7k squared. Just do it in your calculator. 4 minus 7 plus 11 minus 1. So -3 plus 11 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7k squared. You do not change the powers. Don't make up your own math rules. Number 9. Oh, now I'm going to do this. Watch what I do now. This matches that, and this matches that. Do you get that? Okay, that's pretty cool. I know, yesterday I used a highlighter, but you guys were like, we don't have highlighters. Okay, you can do that too, what I just did there. So C squared D. So it's 13 minus 7, which is 6 c squared d. And then there's a hidden one here, and that is 11. So it's 1 cd squared minus 11 cd squared, which is negative 10 cd squared. Okay, got that? Not too bad. And the video hasn't taken too much time yet, right? This one, the y's match, obviously, but this is negative 10y plus 7y, which is negative 3y. Wait a second. Was this the word problem? And did it say something like subtract negative 7y from negative 10y or something like that? So if I said subtract $5 from $20, you would put the 20 first. And I think that's what that problem is. I don't have the worksheet with me. Ugh, but I'm pretty sure that's how that problem was set up. Number 11. Probably the same thing for both of these problems. Let's find out, because these problems look way too easy otherwise, because this matches that and this matches that, so we can just subtract and get negative 4 r squared s. I got to go find that worksheet. Man, I hope that it doesn't make the audio mess up. What did number 11 say? From 15r squared s, subtract 19r squared s. Well, that was an easy one. That one was way more straightforward, right? That one was way more straightforward. Number 12 is the one that's backwards again. It says subtract m squared n from negative 8m squared n, and that would be the same thing as me saying subtract $5 from $20. Okay, the 20 would go first. So do these match? Heck yeah. Do these match? Yep. So there's a hidden one there. And then that's going to be negative 9m squared n, because it said to subtract. Those subtraction problems are just tricky, aren't they? Why, yes, they are. Next one, 3, 2, 1. Yippee! Now we change to multiplying. There was nothing on the back for this worksheet, was there? No. Okay, so add the powers. X to the 8 plus 3 is x to the 11th. I know that was extra, but I just wanted to show you the property. I'm not going to do that again. I'm just going to add. Okay, so I'm going to add the a powers and get a to the 8th. I'm going to add the b powers and get b to the 14. And that one is done. Next, 3, 2, 1. Those are easy and fun. Next one. Okay. This and that is going to be k to the 15th. Okay, 7 plus 8. But then you still have to multiply this guy. I'm not going to label it. You still have to multiply 4 times 8 and get 32. Okay, that's an easy one. So if that's the case, now, because yesterday I really want to highlight these, I'm going to. Tough luck. Or wait, we don't have a highlighter. Tough luck. Get a highlighter. I'm going to highlight this and that and that. And I'm going to multiply all 3 of those things together. And I'm going to get, what is that? That's negative 8 and negative 7, so that's 56. Negative 8 times negative 7 is just 56. Then there's an s here, but there's an s there also. It's s to the 1st and s squared. So that's going to be s to the 3rd. Then there's an r here and an r there, but that r is to the 1st. So then that's going to be r to the 9th. Okay, but then you got to go back to the alphabet song. Q, R, S, O. So 56, R to the 9th, S to the 3rd. There you go. Okay, technically I couldn't mark this one wrong, but I've kept everything else alphabetical so far, so let's keep everything alphabetical throughout this awesome 10-minute video. 3, 2, 1. Number 17. Okay, I gotta multiply, but I gotta bust out the highlighter again. So 13 to -1. Okay, so that's gonna be -26. So it's gonna be -26. And now you got p to the third and p to the first, which is p to the fourth. And then you got q to the first and q to the fifth, which is q to the sixth. And that one's done. It's just that easy. Highlighter time. Highlighter time. I got to multiply this times that. And so that's going to be -9. And then I got x to the 8th and x to the 4th, which is x to the 12th. And then I got y to the 1st and y to the 1st, which is y to the 2nd, aka y squared. Understand that one? I hope so. I know these problems are going to slow down here, but I'm cruising right now. I'm just on cruise control. Number 19. Oh, crud, there's a fraction. So you use your fraction button on your calculator, or you remember that all it is just 6 divided by 3. All right, so the negatives are going to make it positive. So then this value is just going to be dose. Then I got a to the first and a to the first, which is a to the second, and then b to the 9th and b to the, oh, hello. B to the 9th and b to the 4th, which is b to the 13th, because I know how to add. Next one. I got to multiply 15 times 4/3 in my calculator, or I could, okay, I had to stop the video, so I hope that the audio starts back up here, but here we go again. Remember that when we multiply, it's really just like 15 divided by 3, which is 5, and 5 times 4 is 20. Oh, well, that was easy. P to the 5th and p to the 2nd is p to the 7th. Q to the 1st and q to the 1st is q to the 2nd. And then r to the 7th and r to the 1st is r to the 8th. And that's it. Did I go alphabetical? Elemental, P, Q, R. Yep. There we go. Isn't that weird? I guess I could say the alphabet, but it's so much more fun to sing it. Number 21. Okay, highlighter again for me. This is just what you would put in your calculator. This times that times that. Okay, but the way that my brain works, it's when it does work, is 24 divided by 4, which is 6. And then it's c to the 4th and no other c. And then it's d to the 9th and d to the 1st, which is d to the 10th. And that's it. Okay. Number dose. Got that. Got that. Got. Oh, wait. That's not a multiply. It's like there's no parentheses there. Okay. So, okay. So this is a grouping problem. Finally, this is a little different. I had to look at the worksheet. Sorry. Okay. So on dose, I got to combine these two puppies first. -12, and then it's a to the 1st and a to the 1st, which is a to the 2nd, and then b to the 8th and b to the 2nd, which is b to the 10th. And then this guy's just going to drop down, -4a squared b to the 10th. Hey, look at that. What a coincidence. Huh? What a coincidence. They match. This matches that. So then all you have to do is just subtract and get -16, a to the 2nd, b to the 10th. And that's it. That's number 22. aka the dose. And that one is a little tricky. I hope that the audio is still working. Hang on. Okay. Sorry, texting my daughter. All right, so there you go. Hopefully you're caught up. 3, 2, 1. Number 23. Um, okay, so this again is grouping, right? So I'm going to multiply those guys together first, but then a different color. I'm going to multiply these guys together. There's a 1 here. Okay, so it's going to be, this guy is going to be 35 m to the 12th n to the 7th. And now I'm hoping that the next one, without even looking at it, is m to the 12th n to the 7th. So that's going to be 2 m to the 12th. Look at that. That's this guy. And n to the 7th. Hey, look at that. So now I can combine them. And if I combine that, I get 37 m12 n7. It's pretty easy. This is way easier than graphing. Would you not agree? We're almost, oh, we're so close. Here we go. 2 more. 3, 2. 1. Number 24. Okay, this gets multiplied, and I'm trying to make this exactly 20 minutes. This gets multiplied and becomes negative 15 x to the 4th y, and then a plus, and then that's going to be 16 x to the 4th y. Okay, cool. And then I just combine those. Well, negative 15 plus 16 is 1 x to the 4th y. But if you want to be cool, you could just write it like this. You don't have to be cool. It's okay. Sorry, I'm just now texting Mrs. Huff. She texted me. She said she's up, around, moving, and doing better. So that's good news because she was out for a little while. Number 25, last one. We are almost there. Okay. Uh-oh. I didn't finish this whole problem. What is that? 19C, 10D, and then CD to the 7. Oh, I even used different ink there. Okay, big one. So I'm going to multiply these. How much time do I have left? All right, 32, C to the 11th, and D to the 8th, and then minus 19, C to the 11th, and D to the 8th. Gosh, I got to think on this one. Is that 13? So that's going to be 13, C to the 11th, and D to the 8th. Okay, tomorrow we're moving on. We're moving to 6.2. I think you guys should be experts at this. We will be quizzing on Friday. Don't forget that. So we are quizzing on Friday. There is no take-home homework today. We will collect all this stuff, I guess, tomorrow. And I say to you, good day.